Hi guys, welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Ahmed and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to save TikTok videos to gallery without a watermark. Okay, first open your TikTok app, then open up any video you want to save to gallery. Then tap the share button over here, then tap copy link. After that open your browser, then go to safety.cc. I leave you the website link in the description or in the pinned comment, okay? Then paste the video link here, then tap search. Wait a few seconds, then tap download. And like that you can save TikTok videos to gallery without a watermark, okay? Okay guys, hope you find this tutorial useful and helpful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, see you in next video, bye.